afternoon, ma'am.
So, before we take your seat, please stand up. May I call Miss Aliego to lead a prayer? So, let's bow our head.
Give us this day our daily bread and forgive us as we Amen.
So, before you take your seat, can you please pick up some pieces of paper? Say present if your name is called. Rodrigo.
Present, ma'am.
Ayaton.
Present, ma'am.
Rama.
Present, ma'am.
So, before we start our discussion, can you please read the objective of our topic for today? Please read, class.
At the end of the lesson, students will be able to identify the organs of the digestive system. The students will able to describe the function of each organ of the digestive system and explain the process of digestion.
So before we start to our discussion, I have let's have a energizer. What is our lesson for today?
Me, teacher.
Yes, Miss Ayaton.
Our lesson is about digestive system, teacher.
Very good. It's all about the digestive system. So digestive system is mao ni ang katong kanang sa pagkaon gani kung unsaon pagproseso sa mga body organs unsa ang ilang function kung unsa ang pag-absorb sa mga pagkaon. So first is we have so to our lesson, first is we have a digestion. So digestion is please read everyone.
Digestion is the mechanical and chemical breaking down of food into small components to form that can be absorbed, for instance, into a bloodstream.
So digestion is mao ni ang atong pag-digest atong pagkaon kanang atong ginakaw sa matag adlaw. So aha man magsugod ang kaning mag-digest ang pagkaon, aha siya mag-start kanang magkaon ta.
Sa mouth, teacher.
Very good. So mouth is please read.
Where food is partly broken down by the process chewing and by the chemical action of salivary enzymes.
So ang mouth is diha magsugod ang kanang gibali, like for example kanang atong ginakaon like apple, di ba? Kung magkaon ta ato ng kanang usapol. So diha mag-start ang kanang pag-digest or kanang pagkaon nga magpadung sa atong tiyan. So unsa may sulod ani pag makatulong na ta or mausap na nato ang pagkaon?
Sa tutunlan, teacher.
Very good. So we have a esophagus. Can you read what is esophagus, class?
It is a long tube that runs from the mouth to the stomach, which after being swallowed and chewed the food by the mouth.
So, esophagus is diha maagi tong pagkaon nga gikan sa atong baba nga ginakit moagi sa atong tutulan. So, pag matulo ng pagkaon, aha naman ni sunod dayon mag-agi
Sa
tiyan,
teacher.
Very good. So stomach is a large sac-like organ that chunks the food and baths in very strong acid. So ang katong pagkaon nga atong ginakaon nga nag-agi sa esophagus or tutunlan is mapadong sa stomach. So ang stomach is diha na magpundo tong mga kaon, diha na siya magaling. ang atong ginakaon. So, ang pagkaon nga atong ginakaon is ma-digest na dahil sa tiyan o galingon. So, ang magtabang sa pagaling sa pagkaon sa atong tiyan, which is katong enzymes o ang acid. So, pag magaling nga siya sa tiyan, aha naman siya magsunod.
Tinae.
Sa sinae, I guess.
Lubot.
So, maglahos na siya sa small intestine.
Intestine.
Ang gamay nga, kung sa Bisaya pa, gamay nga
Tinae.
tinae. So, please read what is small intestine.
The small intestine is a narrow and contain 25 feet long.
So, small intestine is, kana siya is konektado siya sa stomach. So, ang small intestine is naay tulo ka types, which is first is duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. So, ang duodenum is mo ni ang magtiwas o proses sa pagkaon nga gi-absorb sa tiyan. So, ang duodenum, ang purpose ani niya is mag-continue siya nga mag-continue pa og galing. Iya pag ipino-pino ang mga pagkaon nga gigaling sa tiyan, sa stomach. So, pagkahuman, ang ikaduha is ang jejunum. So, ang jejunum is mag-absorb na siya og katong mga nutrients like carbohydrates, fat, protein. So, ang katong kaning jejunum is moon ni ang kanang muni siya ang mag-absorb sa kanang maghatag sa atong mga dugo o kanang mga nutrients. So, the last one is ang ileum. So, ang pinakalas na type sa small intestine, which is dito na magdagan ang katong mga pagkaon nga gi-digest, which is katong sa jejunum pa lang gitibulaag na ang katong mga hugaw, mga pagkaon o katong mga pagkaon nga angay ibutang sa atong dugo or katong maghatag og nutrients sa atoa. So pagkahuman sa small intestine, aha pa man siya mo-process pa, aha pa siya na next step mo pa pa ang pagkaon nga gi-digest.
Sa large intestine.
Sa large intestine, teacher.
Sa anus.
So, the last one is large intestine. So, uban sa inyo, sakto ang gitawag, pero na uban, naglargo na sa anus. So, ang large intestine is mauni diri ang kanang katong mga pagkaon nga hugaw, diri na siya magpadong. Kagits mo?
Yes, teacher.
Magpadong ang hugaw nga mga pagkaon, kaya may mga bacteria.
Sa large intestine.
Correct. So, diha na siya mag-form o katong mga hugaw nga atong ginagawas. Hantod nga, may masunodan pag magpundo ng mga gawas ng mga hugaw. Correct. So, can you please read what is anus?
Anus. The opening where your bowel movements
Come
come
out.
So, ang anus is katong mga hugaw nga mga organ or bacteria or katong mga na-forma naghugaw na to, ang ginagawas is mapadong siya sa anus. Diha ginagawas ang atong mga hugaw. Like, anong ginakalibang ninyo, kung magkaon mo, di ba, magawas na dito. O, diha na. So, that's all.
So, good afternoon, class. I am Teacher Giselle, and as a continuation of Teacher's Ami's passion, I am going to give you an activity. So, our activity is about label the diagram. I am going to distribute each of you a diagram about our topic today. So, nakasabot ng amo sa discussion ni Teacher Ami.
Yes, teacher.
Sure?
Yes.
Teacher. So, our activity is so easy. You just need to write the answer. You just need to write your name, the date, today's date, which is November 28, 29, the teacher, which is, you can write me or it's either Teacher Amin, and the subject. So, what's our subject na pala today?
Science teacher.
So, I guess you understand it now. I'll give you each of these. So, it's been 20 minutes, guys. Are you already done?
Yes, teacher.
Miss Rodrigo, kindly collect the papers, please.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. So, do you want to know what is the correct answers or what should be written in the papers?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So, this is the answer. So, the first part is the mouth. So, did you guess it?
Yes, teacher.
Sure?
Yes.
I guess some wrote it wrong.
It's a Lego, teacher.
Why? I thought you already understand the topic.
Sorry, teacher. I don't understand, teacher.
Okay, you can do better next time. So, the first is the mouth. Second is the esophagus, which dito ka napadulong ang giusap na to, di ba? Dito mag-agi sila. So, next is the stomach, the large intestine, small intestine, and then the last one will be the anus. So before we end our classes today, I would like to give you an assignment. Is it okay, class?
Okay, teacher.
I want to know. So your assignment is draw a digestive system and explain how it works. So just like what I've given you the activity, you just need to draw the digestive system and then give its parts and then explain it. You can pass these assignments tomorrow.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, class? Thank you and goodbye.